Besides mangoes, papayas are my favorite fruit to eat. They are fast growing tropical trees that do well in my grow zone, 9A or 8B, Florida. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too. You keep the channel rocking and rolling. So in today's video, we're going to look at my papaya plant. I recently posted in the comment section of the app if anyone, what everyone was doing rather, to grow their papaya trees. My friends from the Caribbean mentioned that they used rabbit poop or rabbit manure. So I was able to get some, and we're going to spread it around the base of the plant. Let's get started. So this is my papaya tree. It is 2 years old, and it has been a struggle to get it to this point, but ever since we put it into the Vigo planter here, it has really started to take off and do well. Now, I do get what looks like little pieces of fruit that start to form, but from time to time, they all fall off. So as I mentioned, I asked my friends in the Caribbean, how do they grow theirs? And they mentioned that they use rabbit poop. So we're going to spread rabbit poop around the edge of the base, rather, of the plant. And then we're going to cover it back up with the mulch and then water it in. So I'm just going to take my handheld rake and pull the mulch back. Pull it to one side. Careful not to go down too far because we don't want to damage any of the roots. Then we're going to take the manure that we were able to get offline, and we're going to spread it around the plant. And on this side, we'll pull the mulch back, and over here as well. And we'll pull some over here. Cover up. And come over to this side. And cover that up. This is rainwater. I have a old trash can that I let filled up with water. I left out in the rain, and I now have 60 gallons of rainwater. So we're just gonna water around the base where we put the fertilizer, and that will help it to start to break down quicker. And hopefully this will help with the sitting of the fruit and getting bigger. The fertilizer that I have been using is the AgroThrive fruit and flower formula, and I haven't put any granular fertilizer or manure in, so hopefully this will help. So I was able to purchase 4 pounds of rabbit manure from a company called Bunny Doo. It is located just south, well, not just south, but south of me in Orlando, Florida. So relatively close, and I was able to get it. And I was able to get 4 pounds for about $12. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but uh, it's a fertilizer, and fertilizer is what I needed for this particular tree. I want to give a shout out to Marie from Farming on the Rocks, and also to Stacy from Gardening with Stacy. They were the ones that suggested using rabbit manure. So keeping my fingers crossed, and we'll let you know how it turns out. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick video. And hopefully, as I said before, excuse the crows, they are so disrespectful. So hopefully the addition of the rabbit manure will really help this plant, and it'll be able to sit fruit. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.